Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make veggie soup dumplings. First, let's prepare the essential broth. Combine vegetable stock with agar-agar powder, soy sauce, and a touch of sesame oil. Bring it to a gentle simmer, stirring until the agar-agar fully dissolves. Pour this mixture into a shallow dish and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, or until it sets into a firm, jiggly jelly. This will be the delightful soup inside your dumplings. Now let's create the savory vegetable filling. Finely chop a variety of vegetables such as napa cabbage, shiitake mushrooms, and carrots. Sauté them lightly, then let them cool completely. Once cooled, gently fold in your diced broth jelly, along with a dash of soy sauce, ginger, and white pepper. This combination ensures a burst of flavor and that signature soupy texture. Have your dumpling wrappers ready, ideally about 3.5 inches across. It's time for the fun part, assembling your dumplings. Take one wrapper and place about 1 tablespoon of the veggie filling in the center. Moisten the edges with a little water, then carefully pleat and pinch the wrapper closed, creating a beautiful sealed pouch. Ensure there are no gaps to keep all that delicious soup inside. Arrange your finished dumplings in a steamer basket, leaving a little space between each. Steam them for 8 to 10 minutes until they are tender and translucent. Your homemade veggie soup dumplings are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them piping hot with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a mix of black vinegar, soy sauce, and chili oil. Garnish with some fresh cilantro or thinly sliced green onions for an extra touch of freshness. They are truly a delightful culinary experience. For more kitchen tips and other great deals, check the description below this video. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, you'll find a link there for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, a fantastic way to keep your kitchen spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.